I'm making some last minute preparations down here in the Florida Keys. Wind's picking up a little bit. Hopefully this thing will go up that way. Miami's that way. About 70 miles that way. And the South Beach is about 80 miles, 85 miles that way. So it'll be offshore, hopefully by 100 miles from here. But we'll see. 100 miles from my location to where it's predicted to go is too close for comfort. Like I said, I always prepare year-round. These sheds are tied down. They're actually irrelevant though. I don't even need this shed. Not much in there. Actually, there's like a weed blower in there, that's it. Yeah, I think there's going to be a little bit of a storm surge. It'll probably come up to the P-Rock, maybe to the bottom stair. But just in case, I parked in the garage here. Go inside the garage here. Hit the lights. Got a bathroom here. Got a workshop in here. Got the old Miata in here. Looking good. Safe and sound. Doors are secure. They're not going to come off. In a real event, we got some metal bars that go on each door. And we got ropes and everything. Look at the size of this lolly column, ladies and gentlemen. That's like 2.5 times code. Look at that beam box. Concrete rebar. You can't imagine how strong that is across the top of that garage with number 6 rebar. Trust me, this thing is overbuilt. Overbuilt. Way overbuilt. This is my bathrooms underneath here. It's a nice little garage, boy. A lot of old tools here. A lot going on. A lot of production's been had out of this garage, I'll tell you what. Not by me, by another gentleman. There's the blue awnings that go on the windows. There's the house next door. Look out the window. You can see the house next door that belongs to the property. There's the orange line. That's the bottom of that floor right there. It's only 7 feet. Gotta worry. Gotta worry. Going back outside. Turn off the lights.